Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. Today, we are going to learn three very important English words. These three words are was, did, had. These are past tense words. We use them to talk about the past, about things that already happened. Before we start, here is today's question. Sarah says, I had a meeting this morning. Why did Sarah use had and not have? Think about it. The answer is in today's conversation. Write your answer in the comments. Now, let's begin. David, did you finish the report? I used did to ask a question about the past. Did is the past helper word. We use did to make past questions. Did plus you plus finish. That is the structure.
Yes, I finished it this morning. I said I finished, not I finish. For past actions, regular verbs get ed at the end. Finish becomes finished.
Great. Did you send it to the manager? Did you send? Again, did comes first when we ask a past question. We do not say, sent you it. We say, did you send it?
Yes, I sent it 1 hour ago. Sent is the past form of send. It is an irregular verb. We do not say sended, we say sent.
Perfect. Did the manager reply?
Not yet, but I did my best. I did my best. Here, did is the main verb, not a helper. Did means I completed or performed an action. It is the past form of do.
I am sure it is good. By the way, did you have lunch? Did you have? Again, did starts the question. We use did for all past questions with I, you, he, she, we, they.
No, I did not have lunch today. I was too busy. I said I did not have lunch. Did not is how we make a past negative sentence. We say did not plus the base verb. Not I didn't had. We say I didn't have.
Oh, David, you have to eat. Did you at least drink water?
Ha, yes, I did drink water, a lot of water. I did drink. Here, did makes the sentence stronger. It means, yes, I really did it. It is for emphasis.
Good. Let's go eat something now. Good morning, David. How was your weekend? I said was, not is. Was is the past form of is. The weekend is finished, so I use was.
It was really good, Sarah. I stayed home on Saturday. I said was again. Was means something happened in the past. Right now, it is Monday, so Saturday is in the past.
Oh, nice. Was it relaxing? Here, I used was to ask a question. When we ask a past question with be, we say, was it? Was she? Was he?
Yes, it was very relaxing. I watched TV and I slept a lot. Was very relaxing. This tells us how Saturday felt. Was describes a feeling or a state in the past.
That sounds perfect. What about Sunday? Was Sunday good too?
Sunday was a little busy. I cleaned my apartment. Was a little busy. Again, was tells us about Sunday. Sunday is in the past, so we use was.
Oh, was it a big mess?
Ha, yes, it was a very big mess, but now it is clean. It was a very big mess. This happened before. Now it is clean. Past and present are different. Was is for the past. Is for now.
Good job. I was at my sister's house on Sunday. I said, I was at my sister's house. This means I am talking about the past. Right now, I am here, but on Sunday, I was there.
Oh, how was it?
It was wonderful. We cooked together and talked a lot. It was wonderful. Was here describes the experience. Something nice happened in the past. We use was to describe it.
That sounds really nice, Sarah.
This place looks nice. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time, but I had lunch here last week. Wait, no, I went to a different place. I said I had lunch. Had is the past form of have. When something happened before, like eating, drinking, a meeting, a problem, we use had.
Ah, so you had lunch at a different place last week. Had at a different place, this tells us about a past experience. She had this experience before. Had equals have in the past.
Yes, it was a small Italian restaurant near the office. It was a small Italian restaurant. Was describes what that place was like. Past description, we use was.
Oh, nice. Did you like it? Did you like past question? Did plus you plus like.
Yes, I had the pasta. It was amazing. I had the pasta. This means I ate the pasta. Had is often used with food and drink in the past. I had coffee, I had soup, I had dinner.
I love pasta. Did they have good dessert?
I did not have dessert that day. I was full. I did not have dessert, past negative with did not. And I was full, was describes how I felt in the past.
I understand. Okay, what do you want to order today?
I think I will have the chicken and maybe soup.
Good choice. I had a big breakfast, so I will order something small. I had a big breakfast. This happened this morning. Morning is past now, so I use had.
Sarah, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Did, had, was. Did you learn these words in school?
Yes, but the best way to learn them is to use them in real conversations, just like we are doing now.
That is so true.
David, good morning. Were you here yesterday? Wait, I said were, not was. Let me explain. We use was with I, he, she, it. We use were with you, we, they.
No, I was not here yesterday. I had a doctor's appointment. I was not here. Past negative with was. And I had a doctor's appointment. Had tells us about a past event or experience.
Oh, was everything okay?
Yes, it was just a regular checkup. Everything was fine. It was just a regular checkup. Was describes what the appointment was like. Everything was fine. Was tells us about the situation in the past.
Good. I was here yesterday. I walked for 1 hour. I was here. In the past, my location was this park. Was tells us where I was at that past time.
Wow, 1 hour? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I had so much energy after the walk. I had so much energy. Had here describes a feeling or condition I experienced in the past.
That is great. I want to walk more. By the way, did it rain yesterday evening?
Yes, it rained a lot. I was already home, so it was okay. It rained, regular past verb, ed. I was already home. Was tells us my location in the past when the rain happened.
Good timing. I had an umbrella in my bag, but I did not need it. I had an umbrella in my bag. Had shows I possessed something in the past. I did not need it. Past negative with did not. Always good to be prepared.
David, what a surprise! Did you just arrive? Did you just arrive? Past question. Did comes before the subject and the base verb.
Yes, I had a list of things to buy, but I forgot it at home. I had a list. This means I prepared a list before, but that was before. Now I don't have it. Had is past. Have is present.
Oh no. Did you remember anything from the list?
I had milk, bread, and eggs on the list. I remember those. I had milk on the list. This means milk was on my list in the past. Had tells us what was there before.
Good. That is the most important things. Did you have breakfast today?
Yes, I had eggs and toast this morning. I had eggs and toast. Had with food means I ate it. This is a very common and useful way to use had. I had coffee. I had lunch. I had a snack.
Perfect. I was just looking for some vegetables. I was just looking. This describes what I was doing in the recent past. Was plus verb ing describes an action that was happening.
Did you find what you needed?
Almost. I had everything except tomatoes. I had everything except tomatoes. Had here means I had collected or found most things. Had shows what I possessed at that moment in the past.
I see tomatoes right there.
Oh, perfect! Was that aisle always there? I did not see it before. Was that aisle always there? Was asks about the past state or existence of something. I did not see it. Past negative. Did not plus base verb.
Huh. I had the same problem last time. I could not find things. I had the same problem. Had describes a past experience or difficulty. I could not find. Past of cannot.
Supermarkets are so confusing. By the way, David, now you know was, did, and had really well.
I think so. Was is the past of is. Did is the past of do for questions and negatives. And had is the past of have.
Exactly. You did a great job today. You did a great job. Did here is the main verb. It means you performed well. Did is the past of do.
Thank you, Sarah. I had a lot of fun learning today. I had a lot of fun. Had with an experience or feeling. Fun, a good time, a great day. We use had for all of these in the past.
Me too. See you tomorrow.
Excellent work today. Sara and David showed us 3 very important words: was, did, and had. Let's review quickly. Was. This is the past form of is. We use it to describe people, places, feelings, and situations in the past. It was cold, she was tired, I was at home. Did. This is the past form of do. We use it to make past questions and past negative sentences. Did you eat? I did not go. Had. This is the past form of have. We use it for past experiences, possessions, meals, and feelings. I had lunch. She had a problem. We had a great time. Now, do you remember today's question? Sarah said, I had a meeting this morning. Why did she use had and not have? The answer is because the meeting happened in the past. This morning is finished, so we use had, not have. Write your answer in the comments. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple English Family. New videos every day. See you next time. Goodbye.